The rising demand for Bitcoin could launch a major rally. Bitcoin could start a rally and recover from recent losses. Institutional investors are a key factor, but retail investors are also gaining influence in the market. The increasing demand for Bitcoin from various categories of investors could give BTC's price the necessary momentum to break out of the current downward trend. Bitcoin's price is largely dependent on institutional activity, and the market closely monitors their movements. Last Friday, for the first time, a net inflow of $63 million was recorded into the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. The launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs has been a powerful catalyst for the rise in cryptocurrency value. This is evident from the net unrealized profit/loss (NUPL) indicator, which currently exceeds the value of 0.5. This indicates a phase of euphoria in the market. Since the BTC halving is considered a bullish event, demand for the asset usually increases following the reduction in rewards for newly mined blocks. During the last bullish cycle in 2020 to 2021, the euphoria stage was reached 8 months post-halving. This time, it happened almost 6 months before the halving. Thus, if ETFs consistently stimulate demand, recovery could accelerate. However, this demand is not limited to institutional investors alone. Retail investors are likely to enter the fray as well, given that the reserve risk indicator is currently in the positive green zone. The on-chain reserve risk metric measures the amount of long-term coin holders, their confidence in the currency, and the risks of them selling, which could affect market stability. This indicator assesses the overall confidence of investors. Combined with the low price, Bitcoin offers an attractive risk-reward ratio for investors. Accordingly, if BTC holders see the potential for profit, they will aim to accumulate, making the coin an attractive investment. Today, the coin attempted to test the upper boundary of the flag pattern it has been stuck in since March. This bullish continuation pattern demonstrates the potential for a 45% rally with a target of $92,505. However, a more realistic target is the absorption of the current all-time high of $73,000. This could happen once the $65,000 mark is established as a support level and foundation, and BTC makes a bullish breakout from the pattern. On the other hand, if the breakout fails, the price could fall to $61,000. Losing this support could lead the BTC to test the lower line of the flag, potentially reaching $56,600, which would invalidate the bullish scenario. Why the ZeroLend token airdrop was unpopular with the community. On the morning of May 6th, the ZeroLend project launched an airdrop of Zero tokens. However, members of the crypto community criticized the uneven distribution of coins. Zero is a utility and governance token within the ZeroLend ecosystem, linking several blockchain networks using Layer 0 technology. Approximately 18% of the total coin supply was allocated for distribution to community members. They received 40% of their tokens directly during the event. The remaining 60% will be distributed over 6 months. This scheme is designed to balance the liquidity provided to participants with the structured issuance of coins, typical for private sale conditions. For ZeroLend users, a seamless transition process to the new airdrop system was developed. Existing zero gravity points and early Zero tokens were automatically converted to Zero at the launch of the drop. Additionally, users were given the opportunity to claim rights and stake Zero on the Linea blockchain, regardless of where they originally earned points. 13% of the total airdrop amount is intended for early holders of Zero tokens. Another 5% is allocated for converted Zero gravity points, accumulated using the platform's native airdrop mechanism. Despite the planned airdrop, some community members were unhappy with how the process was organized. For example, a crypto enthusiast known as Ben's Crypto at 0xBensCrypto pointed out the disparities in token distribution, causing some eligible participants to miss out. I hate to say this, but the ZeroLend team has let down the community, like others before them. I have 400,000 early Zero in one wallet and over 400,000 points in another. Checking the situation now, I see I am entitled to 0, said at 0xBensCrypto. Meanwhile, Zerolend advised community members to be cautious of scammers and to verify information through official channels before taking any action. Currently, Zero is trading on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges such as BitGet. Recently, it was also listed on KuCoin, Gate.io, OKX, and other trading platforms. 82 million SHIB burned in Shiba Inu network in one day. In the Shiba Inu ecosystem, tokens are regularly destroyed in large quantities by being transferred to a wallet that no one can use, thereby removing them from circulation and reducing the total circulating supply. It is believed that such actions initiate deflationary processes in the network, which will push the price of SHIB upwards. According to the Shibburn service, which tracks when and how many tokens are burned in the Shiba Inu network, 82 million SHIB tokens were destroyed in the past day, and the burn rate exceeded 4,000%. Sometimes tokens are burned accidentally. For example, in April 2024, nearly 1.7 billion SHIB were burned in this way when users accidentally sent SHIB to a contract address. After the latest burn, the total number of destroyed SHIB tokens has exceeded 410 trillion, which is almost half of the initial emission volume. Currently, about 589 trillion SHIB remain in circulation. The 82 million SHIB burned in the past day are worth approximately $2,035. Such amounts are not able to significantly affect the token's price. However, community members hope that accelerated burning will spur deflationary processes in the ecosystem and contribute to price growth. Bein Crypto's analysis suggested a possible 15% rise in SHIB to a target of $0.00002625. Upon reaching this level, the price corrected by 4% due to overall market volatility. The burning of a large number of Shiba Inu tokens has not impacted prices, but it has strengthened optimism among community members. In the long term, if the Shiba Inu team continues to develop the project and increase token scarcity through burning, the token's value is likely to grow. Binance to delist futures on a range of tokens. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance has warned users about the removal of perpetual futures contracts on STP, Status, Movieblock, Radworks, and Convex. Updates will take effect next week, according to an official statement from Binance. On May 6, Binance updated the leverage and margin requirements for perpetual futures contracts on STP, Status, Movieblock, Radworks, and Convex. The adjustment is a precautionary measure aimed at aligning with market conditions and enhancing trading safety. Traders dealing with the listed contracts are advised to review their strategies to avoid potential liquidation of positions, particularly regarding leverage settings. After the update, which will take effect on May 13, the Binance system will prohibit the opening of new positions for contracts on STUST, BLUST, RADUST, and KVEXUT. Binance Futures Trading Division also reserves the right to implement additional protective measures without prior notice. This includes changing the leverage limit, the cost of positions, maintenance margin for different levels, and other possible adjustments. According to TradingView, the announcement about the removal of perpetual futures contracts caused all affected tokens to decline in value.